This niche I'm about to show you is honestly kind of crazy. And the wild part, almost no one is talking about it yet. Just look at this channel, it has around 32,000 subscribers. At first, you might think, that's not a lot. But here's what really matters, the retention is insane. People are actually watching these videos all the way through. Now, check this one, only about 6,000 subscribers, but still pulling solid views consistently. And that's the pattern, small channels, consistent uploads, and videos getting views. That tells you one thing, this niche is working. And if you're trying to start YouTube automation, this could literally be your entry point. In this video, I'm starting a brand new YouTube channel in this niche from scratch, and I'm showing you everything, step by step. From channel branding, to the script, to the visuals, voiceover, and even the thumbnail. No skipping, no guesswork, because if you miss even one step, you'll end up with results like this. This is the exact mistake most beginners make when starting a new channel. They create a channel, upload immediately, and then wonder why nothing happens. If you're starting fresh, don't rush. For the first 1 to 2 weeks, use YouTube like a normal user. Watch videos, like them, leave comments, subscribe to channels, just behave like a real person. Why? Because this helps YouTube recognize your account as a genuine user, not a bot. And that simple step can protect your channel from getting silently suppressed, what people often call a shadow ban. Alright, let's start with branding. First thing, pick 2 colors for your channel. These will be your identity. You'll use them everywhere, thumbnails, banner, even your logo. Now for the banner, I'm using Canva. Just select the right size and keep it simple. Add a clean line like, check your brain power. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Now the logo. Again, pick the proper size and just add a simple cartoon-style graphic. Nothing fancy, simple works better. I'll go with something like this. And just like that, your channel branding is ready. Good news, you don't need long scripts for this. It's super simple. All you really need is a basic line, like, find the differences. That's it. But here's where it actually matters, the visuals. This niche is all about the images. I'll give you a ready-to-use prompt that you can use in Gemini to generate these spot the difference images. Just copy, paste, and generate. Every time you run it, you'll get a completely new image. Now, your job is simple. Create around 5 images per video, and let each image stay on screen for about 1 minute. That's what builds retention. Don't worry if this sounds confusing right now. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Now, let's get into editing. I'm using CapCut for this. First, go to Pexels and search for abstract videos. Pick something visually interesting. This will be your background. Download it and import it. Now bring in your images on top of that. Stretch each image to around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next, add a timer. Go to YouTube, download a simple countdown timer and place it on your video. Then add a ticking clock sound. You can find it directly inside CapCut's audio library. Just duplicate the sound to match your clip length. Now here's the important part. This is what actually builds excitement. Add a timeline or progress bar like you see in these videos. It keeps viewers engaged and pushes them to stay till the end. You can see this watermark. It's looking bad. Mask it, select image, go to mask, and adjust it so it doesn't show. Now, let's build the progress bar. First, add a text layer and type a bunch of dashes like this. Next, turn off uniform scale. Now stretch it, increase the width and height until it looks like a proper bar. Then stretch this text to match your image timeline. After that, right-click on the text layer and create a compound clip. Now go to Mask. Select Split Mask. Place the mask at the very start of the bar. Now for the animation. Add a keyframe at the beginning. Go to the end of the clip and move the mask all the way across so it slowly reveals the bar from start to finish. And just like that, your progress bar is ready. Take a look at the result. Now just repeat this process and aim for 1 video every single day around 4 to 5 minutes long. Now let's move to the most important part for clicks, the thumbnail. Now take a look at your competitors' thumbnails. You'll notice something. They're super minimal. No clutter, no heavy text. Just a clean image and a short line. That's exactly what we're going to do. Open Canva, select a landscape size, and keep the background simple. I'll go with white. Now, place your image. Crop it into one side, then duplicate it and crop the other part. Quick tip, remove any watermark. If people see that, it kills trust instantly. Now add a short line that challenges the viewer. Something that makes them curious. And that's it. Clean, simple, clickable. Stay consistent. That's how you win on YouTube. See you in the next one.